as you can see on your screen, what if I just slot my pen drive? And you can see here, this is my pen drive I just was slotted. Then after slotting my pen drive, and I decided to then transfer a file, this very file, which is King of Kings. I wanted to transfer this file onto this very pen drive here. Now, after dragging this file and dropping it on this pen drive, and this message just pop up, telling me that the file King of King is too long for the destination file system. I tried everything and this thing is not working. Now, let's assume that you just face this problem. Respond to you transferring the file and this thing just pop up. This message just pop up on your window. How can you resolve this? Now, let me first tell you why this is happening. Now, first, let's come to our pen drive, right click on it and click on properties. Now, after clicking on properties, you watch here, come to file system. You can see that it is FAT32, which is the FAT32. Now, this means that this is FAT32 and my system is using FAT64. So therefore, when I'm transferring the file from my PC onto my pen drive, it will not pick because my pen drive is FAT32. Now, to fix this, I must format my pen drive to NTFS. Okay, that you must know. Now, how can we do this? By formatting the pen drive to FTNS. Now, to do this, close this and then just press the start button and type CMD, which is your Windows terminal, which is command prompt. So just command prompt, just open the command prompt as run as admin, or you can equally right click on it and click on run as admin. So use any of these and run the command prompt as admin. So I'll go ahead and click on run as admin. Now, as you can all see on the screen, I'll go ahead and then convert my drive to NTFS. Okay, to do that, go ahead and type convert. So when you type convert, now one thing you must know is that you must also pick your drive letter. Now, when I minimize my command prompt window, and as you can see here, this is my drive letter, okay, USB drive D. So my drive letter is D. Then after that, I'll go ahead and type D prompt. Okay, D prompt. Then I'll and type FS column NTFS, because that is what the file format I would like to do. So NTFS. So I'll go ahead and press enter. Now you can see here my convert is not spelled well. So let me retype again. So my drive letter, and go FS column, then NTFS. So that is the file format. Press enter and then you wait for a while, and then the computer will just go ahead and then convert your drive to NTFS. So when you watch here very quick, you see here they say convert failed. What method can I use? So I tried using command prompts and my conversion failed. Okay, so therefore the drive D is not able to convert it, was not able to convert it to NTFS. So what will I do? Now let me show you another method of doing this. Now first I'll exit my command prompt, EXIT, press enter. Now after exiting my command prompt, now I realized that this is my USB flash drive and there's enough space on it. Now when I double click, for instance, you can see that now my USB flash drive is it's empty. There is nothing inside. Okay, now let me just give you this piece of advice. Now when you try the command prompt by converting it and then come think of it, it's not picking, Bear in mind, now first what I would like you to do is that make sure you create a folder and then copy all your files, okay, onto your machine. What I'm trying to say is that when you have a couple of files on your pen drive, make sure you copy that onto your PC so that you will not lose them. But in my case, I have nothing. I have no file on my pen drive. Now, so far as I have no file on my pen drive, what I'm going to do is that now I try using command prompt and it's not working. So what I will do is that I'll right click on my pen drive here and go ahead and click on format, which is I'm going to format. Now when you come here, you can see we have file system type. Now we have the FAT32 being default. Click and select NTFS. Now come to the volume label. Make sure the volume label is 0. Don't put anything there. Click on start and click on OK and wait for it for a while, and the window will just go ahead and complete the formatting for you. And you can see here, okay, format completed successfully. I'll go ahead and click on OK and close that. So the moment I close that, when I come back and right click on my USB flash drive and click on properties, you can see that now the system file type has now changed to what? So NTFS has now changed to NTFS. So I'll go ahead and close that. Now when I drag my file and drop it on my USB flash drive, you can see that now the copy has now begun. Let's wait for a while for the copy to complete. Okay, so as you can see now it has finished. When I open this drive, as you can see here, now when I double click on it, you can see I have my file here. Okay, having said that, don't forget to share this lesson for everyone to just get to know this. And remember, as always, that is just that.
Armstrong computers, we're leading the way, bringing ICT to your doorstep every day. Where vision meets excellence, we stand strong, transforming students where they belong. In the halls of knowledge, we light the spot.